Want to build your dream World Cup team on iPhone? Here's how to play the official FIFA World Cup 2026 fantasy game in under a minute. First thing first, you need to launch Safari on your iPhone and visit the official FIFA Fantasy website. You can copy and paste this website as well. Once you are in the official website, you need to click on Play Now. This interface will appear once you can click on Play Now right over here. Now once you're in this page, you need to pick your captain, complete your lineup, and save your team before the matchday deadline. So make sure to manage and pick a team that you want. If you're confused, you can also click on Auto Pick. Once you have selected the team, tap on Save. Now you will need to enter the login credential of your FIFA account if you have one. Once you have been logged in into your FIFA account, you will still get $100 million budget to select 15 players, 2 goalkeepers, 5 defenders, 5 midfielders, and 3 forwards. Once the match starts, score points from goals, assists, clean sheets, and player performance throughout the World Cup. And that's it, you are ready to compete in the official FIFA World Cup 2026 fantasy game. That's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.